The training course covers a comprehensive range of topics related to safe crane operation, including qualifications and responsibilities, crane inspection, crane access, proper use of lifting accessories, safe crane operation practices, signals and communications, lessons from accidents, and different types of crane controls such as cabin, pendant, or remote. It emphasizes emergency procedures during power failures with magnets energized, operation of magnetic plants with emergency batteries, radio commands for crane operations, and hand signals for overhead and mobile cranes. The course also highlights the significance of planning, risk assessment, and regular inspections in crane operations. This presentation by Tamer Hashim, an environment, health and safety professional at Emirates Steel Archon, focuses on safe crane operation training. The presentation outlines the qualifications and responsibilities of individuals involved in crane operations, including the crane operator, supervisor, signalman, and rigger. It also defines key terms related to crane operations, such as lifting operation, lifting accessory, and lifting plan. The presentation further discusses the regulations and legal requirements governing crane operations, highlighting relevant standards such as BS 7121 and OSHAD COP 34. The training also covers crane inspection procedures, emphasizing the importance of pre-use and in-service inspections. The presentation provides details on the various types of overhead cranes, their components, and the use of pendant and remote controls. It also delves into safety devices, such as limit switches, and their role in preventing accidents. Finally, the training addresses communication and signals, emphasizing the use of radio commands and hand signals for effective communication between the crane operator and signalman. Here is the text rewritten in a more professional English style without summarization or translation. Rigging and slinging techniques. Introduction. This handout provides an overview of rigging and slinging best practices, regulations, equipment inspection, communication protocols, and lift planning techniques. A qualified rigger's responsibility is to safely attach and detach loads from lifting machinery. Proper lift planning and equipment selection are crucial to avoiding hazards. Regulatory compliance. All lifting operations must comply with relevant standards and codes including ISO standards, OSHA regulations, manufacturer requirements, and local jurisdictional rules. Training and certification are required for crane operators, riggers, signal persons, and supervisors overseeing lifting work. Equipment inspection. Rigging components like slings, hooks, shackles and eye-bolts must be regularly inspected and marked with identification numbers and safe working load, SWL, ratings. Defective rigging gear exhibiting cracks, corrosion, broken wires, where exceeding 10% of the original profile, or other damage must be destroyed or removed from service immediately. Lifting accessories. Common types include alloy steel chain slings, wire rope slings, synthetic web slings, structural aluminum slings, shackles, master links, hooks and eye bolts. Each has distinct strength ratings and use applications. Corrosive or high-temperature environments may restrict some accessory use. Sling configuration and ratings. Slings are rated based on included leg angles and the number of legs utilized. Vertical single leg rating is the full working load limit, WLL, while two legs at 0 to 90 degrees can carry 1.4 times the WLL. 3 or 4 legs at 0 to 90 degrees carry 2.1 times the WLL. Angles between ratings require derated capacities be calculated. Hitches and configuration. Slings should be arranged using techniques like choker hitches or basket hitches appropriate for the load being lifted. Center of gravity location and dynamic characteristics must be considered. Loose materials may require bundles, nets, or containers. Taglines.